Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at our newest feature, and it's a appointment booking system, specifically designed for like salons and any kind of businesses that need to make appointments. You can actually create a marketplace for this as well. So let's take a look at both the customer view and the staff view on the devices. The device on the right has the staff view, and the device on the left is going to show the customer view. So I'm going to click on the buttons that I've hidden this under. So here you can see I can browse through all the different service providers. So let's say you are a salon, you can have all of your providers listed here. Okay. And then if you also set up an app where service providers could actually be listed in the app, even independent service providers. That's something we'll get to a little bit later, but let's just take a look at the core features. So I'm going to select one of the stylists here. This is what I've set up, and this is the account on the device to the right. So you can see here I've got a page here. I can customize the header image back here. I can customize the icon logo here, and then also my my bio right here, my address, and I can put things like your hours of operation, whatever you want. You also have the ability to put upload screenshots of your work or images of your work. Okay, here is the reviews that are done for the specific provider, and the reviews can only be done by people that have actually had an appointment with this person, and you can see my services that I provide. So let's go ahead and book a service. I will book a cut. You can see I'm able to increase or decrease here. I can add another service if I so choose by clicking on it. I will just select a date and time, so let's go for Monday the 29th at 12 p.m. And I'm going to make this that you can connect your PayPal account and actually charge for a percentage, like a deposit, or you can charge for the whole amount. It's totally up to you. Or you can do COD, which means the customer will pay you when the service is completed. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to do the COD. And you also have the ability to get some marketing information here. How did you find out about this stylist? So I'll just go with Google, and I'll book my appointment. You have a summary screen here. You can see what the cost of the service is, the taxes, the total, and if you paid any deposit, it would show right here. And then down here is your booking information. Okay, and basically just review here if you have any notes. You can put comments here and submit. And that's it. Once you're done, you get that check mark, and away you go. The customers manage their appointments right here. So if I go to my appointments, right there, I can see the upcoming appointments. You can see the one I just booked here for the 29th at 12 p.m. Right here. It's status pending. This one was accepted. And then I can also see my past appointments. Okay, so that's the customer view there. I'm able to, let's go back to the main list for a second. Sorry. So over here, you're able to favorite people. You can see I favorited this myself. And then in the little menu here, you can click on your favorites, and you can see your favorites as well. Okay, what else do you see here? And that's it for the customer view, essentially. So now on the right-hand side, I'll go out and come back in and refresh this, and you will see all of the appointments. I think this is going to go to the bottom here because I booked it for the 29th. Here we go. This is the appointment I just booked. Nope, that's not. That's not. That's not. Let me just see where I just booked. Where is it? Hang on. Okay, so this is it right here. I've been doing a lot of testing. So anyways, this is the appointment, and I can do a couple things. I can see the appointment. I can now either confirm or cancel the appointment. Okay, so I'm going to confirm this appointment. I can put some notes there as well, and then I'll see all my appointments in the list form here. Okay, the other thing that I can do as a service provider, I can manage my entire calendar, all my services, all of that right inside of the app. Okay, so I can see my appointments we just looked at. I can see the services that I'm able to provide. So let's say I provide, I wanted to add a different service. I've got hair coloring, I've got layer cuts and step cuts. I click the add button, and I can select from a different a list of haircuts here, and then I can put my price, how long it would take me to do this specific service, and required time. If there's travel time that's needed, I can put that as well. Click active and submit, and that would now be added to my list of services. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that. That's services. my availability. I can check off when I work, whatever days I want to work, times I work from and to. If I need to take a lunch break or whatever, I can put that in there as well. And then I've got the monthly view here where I'm able to actually select a date and take that date, make myself unavailable for that date. Okay, so you're able to click on the date on the calendar and actually make yourself unavailable. And back here, what else can we do? And then my gallery. So these are the images that I'm able to upload. Okay, if I want to upload an image, I can just go choose my files. I'll come in here. Let's see. Now I had something. I got my folder. 1 second. So I had it saved in my photo library. So I'm going to pick it right here. So this guy, select him and add him to my list of images. And there you go. So now I've got 6 images instead of 5. So you can do all of this stuff. You can manage everything right through the app. Okay, as a service provider as well as a customer. And let's look at the back office now. So I'm just going to refresh this, and you'll see all the different appointments you have on this calendar in a calendar view. The other thing you're able to do too is if you're in a salon or whatever type of work environment you have, you are able to manually add appointments. So you see the plus button here. I can just click on this. Let's do it for the 30th. I can click on this, and then I can select from my customer list. So I'll select the person that I am. There we go. And I can select from my provider list and say this guy wants to make an appointment with this guy. I can select whatever services they provide. So I'll just do a hair color and then pick a time, 10 a.m. and book my appointment. And we got the screen here that everything is summarized. Submit, and then you book the appointment just like that, and now it will be on the provider's phone for him to go ahead and confirm. So we've built a really comprehensive and complete booking system for service providers and any kind of salons or really anyone that needs to make appointments for their businesses. Looking forward to some feedback. Obviously, if there's things we can do to improve it, tweak it, we will do it. Please provide your feedback. And as always, thanks for watching.